We're here just off Victoria Street, digging and packing posts for a wood fence job. This one's a little different. We have some 6x6 posts because we're putting in a rolling gate. Today we're just framing up this fence, so we're putting on the fence clips, and then we're going to cut the stringers to fit and attach them, and then be ready to board. Today we're just putting the last rip pieces in, and we're gonna cut the posts and hang the gate and just do our final walk around and tidy up, and then that'll be it for this job.